Hello students. Today we'll discuss about a new topic, that is your hydrogen. It is your chapter 9 in NCERT part 2. And these are the some topics that we have to cover in this chapter. The topics are anomalous position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Means anomalous means which is unique or which is different from the rest of the elements. Then we'll discuss about the isotopes of hydrogen. Then we'll discuss the preparation and properties of hydrogen. Then there is an important topic, that is your hydrides. Then comes the soft water and the hard water, and we will understand the chemical properties of water as well. Then the last topic comes hydrogen peroxide, that is your H2O2. We'll discuss its preparation and properties one by one in detail. Now first of all, we'll discuss about the anomalous position of hydrogen in the periodic table. See, every element in the periodic table has had its position somewhere, but why the position of hydrogen is anomalous means why the position of hydrogen is different, unique from the rest of the elements, because it resembles both alkali metal as well as halogens. Alkali metals are group 1 metals and halogens are group 17 elements. Okay, so hydrogen resemble with the alkali metal as well as with the halogens. What are the resembling properties? That hydrogen has one electron in the valence shell, ठीक है, and similarly the alkali metal has also one electron in its valence shell. Then you know that the alkali metals form the cation, univalent cation matlab they carry one positive charge. Similarly, hydrogen can also form the univalent cation. Then we have halogens. What is the resemblance with the halogens? How does the hydrogen resemble with the halogen? तो जिस तरह हेलोजन में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कम होता है नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से, इसी तरह हाइड्रोजन में भी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कम होता है डुप्लेट या आप कह सकते हैं नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पूरा करने से. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी, तो हाइड्रोजन की जो आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी होती है वो हेलोजन से बहुत क्लोजली मैच करती है. Halogens form the monovalent anion. They gain one electron and they carry the -1 charge. Similarly, hydrogen can gain one electron and form the monovalent, or you can say univalent anion or the hydride ion. Then hydrogen exists as diatomic molecule. इसी तरह all the halogens exist as the diatomic molecule like Cl2, F2, I2, Br2. तो इसी तरह hydrogen can exist as H2. So these are some resemblance with the alkali metals as well as with the halogen. So there is some anomalous position of hydrogen is there in the periodic table, and it is yet contradictory and debatable. Okay, next an easy topic comes now is your isotopes of hydrogen. Isotopes has hydrogen has three isotopes. ठीक है, protium, deuterium, tritium. ठीक. Now see, I have written this number of electron, proton and neutron in the tabular form. See, protium is hydrogen 1. Isotopes क्या होते हैं? Isotopes have the same atomic number but different mass number. तो I have written protium H1, यानी कि protium का atomic mass is 1. We denoted with H1 और simple symbol for protium is H. ठीक है. Deuterium is H2, यानी कि atomic mass of the hydrogen here is 2. Then we represented with capital D deuterium के लिए. And tritium is having the atomic mass 3, H3 I have written, and the symbol is tritium. So number of electron in protium remains 1, deuterium 1, tritium 1. Proton also remains same because atomic number does not change in the isotope. But number of neutrons differ in the isotope. Like protium में there is no neutron in it. Deuterium में there is 1 neutron and tritium में there are 2 neutrons. ठीक है. The question can come like name the isotope of hydrogen we do not contain any neutron. तो आप आंसर में क्या लिखेंगे? प्रोटियम. ठीक है. So these are the three isotopes of hydrogen, and tritium is found in the rarest amount. बहुत कम quantity में होता है in a very minute percentage, and it is a radioactive isotope. So we discuss about the anomalous position of hydrogen in the periodic table because it resembles alkali metal as well as halogen. Similarly, we discussed about the isotopes of hydrogen. It is an easy and important topic, like 1 mark question can be asked from this topic. Okay, protium, deuterium, tritium are the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. ठीक है, and you should know that what are the number of electrons, proton and neutron in each of the isotope.